Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. So in Emacs, a window holds a buffer. So I have a frame with one window open. But let's say I wanted to work on multiple files at once, which I was doing this morning. Well, I can easily do that. So if I want to open another window to the right, I can do Control X3. And that'll open another window to the right. And to move to that window, I can do Control XO. Okay, I can then do Control X, Control F to find a file. Maybe I don't want to do lesson plans. Maybe I want to work on one of my websites. And so let me go work on my index.html page here. Now let's say on the right hand side, I wanted to open up a window to the bottom. Well, I can do Control X and then 2. And that'll open up a bottom window. And I can do Control XO to move into that bottom window. And maybe I want to do Control X, Control F to open up, maybe my lesson plans for a different day. Okay, so for instance, maybe I want to do Thursday. And I can open up the Thursday lesson plan. But maybe I want to do some calculations on the right. So I can do Control XO. Oh, I did Control X0. That closed it out. Control X2 will open it back up, and then I'll do Control XO to move to the bottom buffer, Control X, Control F, and then let's bring those lesson plans back up with Thursday's lesson plan back up. Then let's do Control XO to move to this first buffer, and I'll do Alt X and do Calc. And I've got my calculator mode here. I'm going to delete the stuff out, and let's say I wanted to do 1,000 times 1,000. Okay, well, I did 1,000 and 1,000. Let's do times, and we get 1 million. Okay, cool. So I have multiple windows open. If I want to move to another buffer, I'll do Control XO again, and Control XO. That'll cycle around, Control XO. And what I could do now is Control X2 and create a window below there. Whatever you want. If I move to that window, Control XO, I could do Control X3 to move to that window. But let's say I went back here to this first window and I want only this first window open. Well, I can do Control X1 and close out all my windows. So Control X1 just keeps the current window open. Control X0 closes the current window. Let's show you that one more time. So let's do Control X2, move down to the bottom buffer with Control XO, and then close it with Control X0. Okay, hopefully all that makes sense. Experiment with it. It's very useful if you're working on multiple files at once. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.